Me too.
Going fast.
Yeah.
We can find our own things to do.
Nice. I mean, it's not like a jerk, but it's not what I like to do.
Yeah, it's not very fun.
I mean, I don't ski. I just don't. I've never been like a fast skier. So, I mean, I can do that, but I don't like
it's
doing
not,
it.
you're just going fast. Like,
I mean, I'd much rather.
I like to mix it up. I like to do both.
I like bumps. I mean, you know, do like half and half, like something like this where we can.
Well, yeah, it's just because like Phil and Sue and those guys want to just bomb it.
I know.
Yeah, because they're ski racers. Like,
Yeah, that's.
I get it, but like,
Yeah, and that's awesome. It's hard. It's hard to ski as big groups, and what they like to do is just very different.
Yeah.
And then they get, you know, he's got to manage to Sue too, who only wants to be on groom trails,
Exactly.
which is fine. You never checked your phone, did you?
Me?
Yeah. No, I'm just out of idle curiosity.
I'll look.
I mean, this looks great. Like, whatever.
Yeah.
If they're
Actually,
over here-
if you look at this, Nick, you can see the trail map.
yeah,
There's like a bunch of blacks off this thing.
yeah. Like, if they're over here, whatever.
They're doing reruns here.
Okay.
Reruns.
Yes, they said they're just lapping this.
Yeah.
I mean.
Yeah, it looks great.
Yeah.
There's tons of
No
it.
line.
Yeah, exactly.
And, like, this is great over here.
There's the groomers. There's the trees.
Yeah.
Moguls.
Or you can do some groom top moguls down below, or here on this one.
Yeah,
Or
let's just do
I
that.
do some moguls.
Yeah.
No, it's like I just can't even. I can't keep up with those guys. I mean,
Yeah.
it's like for me, not even close.
Yeah, man, I just don't find that fun. Like, it's the same thing happened when we went to Tahoe. It was like my group of 8 friends. Like,
Yeah.
Ethan, you remember Ethan?
Yeah, yeah,
Military guy.
yeah.
He's a ski racer. He raced at Brunswick, so it's like that's what he likes to do. He doesn't like going in the trees. Buzz likes to bomb too, but also goes in the trees. So it's like eventually we just started splitting up, and it's like whatever. We did 4 and 4. John DeLucia didn't know how to ski, so he stayed on the greens by himself all day, which is a bummer. But like, I'm not sure why he came.
Really?
Well, he didn't. He I don't know. I guess he thought he was a better skier than he was. And then we went on the blue the first day. He's like, I'm done. And then went to the greens.
Well, that's hard. Yeah, I mean, you
Yeah.
start at Tahoe. Like,
Yeah.
It's your opening bid.
Yeah. So it was like we were like, yeah, let's just split up and like we meet up later or whatever.
Yeah, I mean,
It's fine.
I agree. It's just that's the way you got to do skiing. It's just,
Yeah.
it's hard. 10 people is like with 10 points of view it's hard.
Yeah.
No, this looks like a good idea over here.
Does everything filter back down to there, or do we need
Yeah,
to
no,
be,
like
do we need to be aware?
No, everything goes down. Everything, yeah, because it all hits that blue trail that we just. Is that right, Walk? I can just turn on my glasses.
Yeah.
Dude, I can see what
Okay.
you're talking about. Yeah, it's mostly fine.
What do you want to do first? Straight down by the chair? Or what?
Yeah, whatever. Can you go up?